Before we start this video, I just want to tell you guys that I'm going to be having a giveaway, so all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell, like this video, and comment hashtag #SlimeAngelGiveaway. And by the way, I'm only shipping to the US. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a thick and glossy slime that requires no glue all. This recipe is perfect for anyone who loves thick slimes that are not too hard on their hands and are very milky. Before we get started with this video, here are our shoutouts today. We'll be needing a container and mixing tool, activator, and I'm just using a teaspoon of borax dissolved into 1 cup of warm water, white school glue, clear glue, conditioner, and this is optional, but if you want, you can add in some baby oil. This just adds some extra gloss into your slime. The first thing we're going to do is add white school glue into our container. There is no exact measurements for this. Next, we're going to be adding some clear glue. Add about the same amount of clear glue as you added white glue. Then, add 1 to 3 pumps of conditioner. Next, we're going to be mixing everything together thoroughly. Keep in mind that clear glue activates faster than white glue, so be careful not to overactivate your slime. After everything is mixed together thoroughly, start adding in your activator little by little until it becomes slime. Once the slime starts sticking to itself and gets really hard to mix, start kneading the slime with your hands. This may get a little messy, but trust me, it's worth it. Here I am just kneading my slime. This process may take a while, so be patient with your slime. After around 10 minutes of kneading, this is my slime. It's super thick, but it's not that glossy because there's a lot of air bubbles in there, so we're gonna have to leave it to sit. Anyway, as you can see, it has no jiggles right now, so it's very thick. The minimum you should leave your slime to sit is 2 days, but if you want it to fully gloss up, it could take about a week. I'm only going to be leaving my slime to sit for about 1 day because I have to upload this video soon. Just so you guys know, if you overactivate your slime a bit, it could become thicker. Also, your slime will melt a bit while it is sitting. So after around 1 day of sitting, this is what my slime looks like. Most of the bubbles have risen to the top. It is super glossy, which is amazing. It's clicky, stretchy, milky, makes a beautiful swirls, and amazing bubble pops. Basically everything you would want in a slime. I'm going to be adding in some ASMR clips after this, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Have a great day. Bye!